Hi there, everybody. My name is Brittany Brown, and I am one of your co-learners in GPH 706, Public Health Administration. A little background on me. I was born and raised in Maine, in southern Maine, and I'm currently residing in Saco with my husband, Scott, our dog, and our 3 cats. Some of my interests include calligraphy and wedding invitation design, and you can see a sample of some of my recent work here. I enjoy doing yoga and meditation. I use Insight Timer on a daily basis, and I'm closing in on, I think it's 1,350 consecutive days of meditation. I find it a great way to center myself, clear out anything that's going on in my mind, and it helps me to be much more productive on a daily basis. I've also been a microblading artist. So for anyone not familiar, microblading is a permanent makeup procedure where you essentially tattoo eyebrows on your face. So my eyebrows are not really all mine. They are tattoos, and they fade away over the course of a year or so. My education, I graduated from the University of Maine in 2011 with a Bachelor of Arts in English, Technical and Professional Writing. I received minors in History and Disability Studies, and I'm a proud sister of Chi Omega. Some of the great work that Chi Omega does includes volunteering for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I received a certificate in grant writing from the University of Southern Maine up in Portland. And currently, I am in the University of New England Master of Healthcare Administration program. My professional work experience, I worked at the Nonantum Resort in Kennebunkport, Maine for 10.5 years. My work there included front desk and reservations and assisting in wedding sales. I worked at Thornton Academy in Saco, Maine for 7.5 years, and I did a really large blend of work under the advancement umbrella, including admissions, development work, doing grant writing, bringing in over $100,000 in grant funds for students in need and for upcoming programs that are currently in place at Thornton Academy. I love doing alumni relations. I planned and coordinated huge alumni events, including an annual auction that would bring in $100,000 a year and a senior alumni reunion where people, while I was there dating back to the class of 1936, would show up. So that was really rewarding. And I helped to bring up Thornton Academy's social media presence and redesign their new website. I am currently working at the University of New England in the registrar's office as the manager of graduation and degree auditing. So as you're starting to wrap up your program here at UNE, you'll start to get emails from me asking you to apply to graduate. So that's me, and now you know who the lady behind the emails is. And I've also connected with some folks in the area to do some freelance grant writing. My interest in public health comes really predominantly from my mom, who I'm pictured here with. This is a photo of us from back at the Portland, Maine Pride Parade in 2019. My mom has worked for the city of Portland for 20 years, and in 2008, she assumed the role of disease intervention specialist. So she works with folks in the community doing HIV and STD testing and outreach. She connects with partners, and she also, as she reaches out to folks, helps to connect them with resources to keep them safe. Currently, she is working on some COVID-19 cases, and it's been really interesting because on a daily basis, she's seeing the adjustments that are coming in from the Federal Center for Disease Control. I love nonprofit organizations. I think that's pretty reflective in a lot of my work experience. And I found that in a nonprofit organization, you have to be really well balanced. And with all of the balance and experience that I have, I think that I'm really interested in going into healthcare administration or public health administration, being able to be a program director or serving in a human resources capacity. So that's a little bit about me. I'm really looking forward to working together through this semester, And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is bbrown4@une.edu.